Imagine a world where machines can think and act like humans, making decisions and taking actions without our direct input. Welcome to the world of AI agents. AI agents are not just static programs waiting for you to click a button. They are dynamic software entities that use artificial intelligence to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as reasoning, problem-solving, and autonomous decision-making. Think of them as digital employees. Unlike traditional software that only follows rigid, pre-written if-then rules, an AI agent can analyze a complex situation, weigh different options, and choose the best path forward entirely on its own. They operate in a continuous loop, perceiving their environment, thinking about the best action, and then executing that action to achieve a specific goal. These agents can be used in a massive variety of real-world applications, ranging from the virtual assistants in our pockets to sophisticated customer service chatbots, and even autonomous self-driving cars navigating busy city streets. What makes them truly revolutionary is their ability to learn from their environment and adapt to entirely new, unforeseen situations. For instance, in 2016, Google's AlphaGo agent defeated a world champion by inventing entirely new moves that humans had never seen in thousands of years of play. This adaptability means they don't just execute tasks. They actually get smarter and more efficient the more they interact with the world around them. One of the defining characteristics of AI agents is their ability to perceive their environment and respond dynamically to changes. This is achieved through a sophisticated combination of physical sensors and real-time data analytics. Just as humans use their eyes, ears, and skin to sense the physical world, an AI agent uses cameras, microphones, GPS, and digital data feeds to build a comprehensive map of its surroundings. It processes millions of data points per second, separating background noise from critical signals so it can maintain absolute situational awareness in rapidly changing environments. To see this in action, look at a modern smart home system. It doesn't just run on a simple timer. Instead, it uses a network of sensors to detect real-time temperature, humidity, ambient lighting levels, and even whether a human is present in the room. If it detects you've walked into the living room to read a book at sunset, the AI agent automatically adjusts the thermostat, dims the overhead lights, and turns on a reading lamp. It makes these complex, multivariable decisions instantly, optimizing both your personal comfort and the home's energy efficiency without you ever having to touch a remote control. Another crucial aspect of modern AI agents is their ability to communicate seamlessly with humans and other digital agents. This is achieved through natural language processing, or NLP, which allows them to understand, interpret, and generate human-like language. Instead of forcing us to write complex lines of code or click through endless menus, NLP enables us to speak to machines just like we would to a friend. The agent can decode slang, understand emotional context, and even read between the lines to figure out our underlying intent, making human-computer collaboration more natural than ever before. For instance, virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant do much more than just run simple voice searches. When you tell Alexa to set the mood for dinner, the agent must parse that subjective phrase, translate it into a specific set of actions, like playing jazz music and lowering the smart lights to 40%, and execute them across different smart devices. This is a prime example of an AI agent using natural language processing to bridge the gap between human desire and machine execution, transforming a simple spoken sentence into a coordinated physical response. To truly understand how these agents operate, we have to look at their internal cognitive architecture, which closely mirrors the military concept of the OODA Loop: observe, orient, decide, and act. First, the agent observes by gathering raw data. Next, it orients itself by analyzing this data against its past experiences and pre-trained knowledge. Then, it decides on the optimal path using predictive algorithms. Finally, it acts by executing that decision. This loop repeats hundreds of times a second, allowing the agent to navigate highly unpredictable environments with incredible precision and speed. Beyond simple tasks, AI agents are incredibly powerful tools for automating highly repetitive, data-heavy workflows, freeing up human workers to focus on creative, strategic, and empathetic tasks. This automation is powered by machine learning algorithms, which allow the agents to analyze vast datasets, spot patterns, and continuously improve their performance over time without needing to be reprogrammed. It's like having an assistant that gets a little bit faster, smarter, and more accurate every single day, turning raw operational data into a compounding asset for productivity. For example, in corporate environments, companies use AI agents to revolutionize customer service. Instead of making customers wait in long queues, an AI agent can instantly resolve up to 80% of common queries, like tracking shipments or processing refunds. If it encounters a highly complex or emotionally charged problem, it seamlessly routes the issue to a human agent, along with a detailed summary of the interaction so far. This hybrid approach significantly slashes operational costs, drastically reduces customer wait times, and ensures that human support staff can focus their energy where empathy is needed most. In addition to automation, AI agents excel at delivering highly personalized recommendations and tailored digital experiences. By utilizing advanced data analytics and machine learning, they analyze your past behaviors, watch times, search queries, and even the subtle ways you scroll through an app to build a highly detailed profile of your unique preferences. This allows them to predict what you might want next before you even realize it yourself, transforming generic software platforms into deeply personalized digital environments that cater specifically to your individual tastes. Think about your favorite music streaming service, like Spotify. Its AI agent doesn't just shuffle random songs. It actively curates custom playlists like Discover Weekly by analyzing your listening habits alongside millions of other users with similar tastes. It looks at which songs you skip, which ones you repeat, and what time of day you listen to certain genres. By finding hidden patterns across billions of data points, the agent introduces you to new artists you are mathematically guaranteed to love, driving up user engagement and creating a highly addictive, customized user experience. But what happens when AI agents start working together? This brings us to the exciting world of multi-agent systems. In these environments, different AI agents are assigned specialized roles and must collaborate to solve massive, complex problems. For example, in a modern automated warehouse, one agent might manage inventory levels, another might plan the optimal paths for robotic forklifts, and a third might oversee shipping logistics. By communicating with each other in real time, these specialized agents can run an entire supply chain with flawless efficiency, demonstrating that the collective intelligence of cooperating agents is far greater than any single system alone. AI agents are also revolutionizing high-stakes decision-making in incredibly complex systems, such as global financial markets and modern healthcare. In these fields, the sheer volume of data is overwhelming for human minds to process in real time. By utilizing predictive analytics and deep learning, AI agents can scan millions of variables simultaneously, from historical stock charts and breaking news feeds to patient medical histories and real-time vital signs, to identify critical patterns and anomalies that a human analyst or doctor might easily overlook, saving both fortunes and lives. For instance, major financial institutions use algorithmic trading agents to monitor global market trends and execute thousands of trades per second. These agents analyze real-time news, economic reports, and social media sentiment to predict market fluctuations. By executing trades at speeds measured in microseconds, they capitalize on tiny price differences before human traders can even blink. This high-speed, data-driven decision-making helps institutional investors maximize their returns, manage systemic risk, and maintain liquidity in highly volatile markets around the globe. However, the rise of autonomous AI agents also brings significant ethical challenges that we must carefully navigate. As these systems make more decisions on our behalf, questions of accountability, bias, and transparency become critical. If a self-driving car makes an emergency maneuver, who is responsible for the outcome? If an AI agent trained on biased historical data makes hiring or lending decisions, how do we prevent it from repeating human prejudices? Ensuring that these agents are aligned with human values, transparent in their reasoning, and secure from cyber threats is one of the most important challenges of our generation. In conclusion, AI agents represent a massive paradigm shift in how we interact with technology. They are no longer just passive tools. They are active, learning partners capable of automating tedious tasks, delivering highly personalized experiences and solving complex problems across industries. By continuously learning from their environments and adapting to new challenges, they are unlocking levels of efficiency and innovation that were previously confined to the realms of science fiction, fundamentally changing the baseline of what machines can achieve. As we look to the future, the rapid evolution of AI agents promises to reshape our society entirely. We are moving toward a world of hyper-automated smart cities, fully autonomous transport networks, and personalized AI co-pilots for every profession. By embracing these intelligent systems while carefully managing their ethical challenges, we can build a future where humans are freed from mundane labor, allowing us to focus on what we do best: creating, exploring, and solving the world's greatest mysteries. The age of AI agents is here, and it is just getting started. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about AI agents and how they can be used in your business or daily life, check out the links in our description below.